Today I'm working on the key for a Nissan Maxima, and the loop had broken out in this key here. You can see under the leather there, a section of the loop of the key had broken, and so you could no longer keep it on a key ring. And so what I decided to do is wrap it in leather with some Super 77 to hold it in place. I stretched the leather around it and then punched a eyelet in there and crimped that in so I could keep it on a key ring now. So I'll show you the process of doing that. So these are the materials I used to make the repair on the key. Had a sample piece of leather here. This is the 3M Super 77 adhesive. Got a set of hole punches, a piece of wood to punch against, small hammer, and a collection of crimp-on eyelets here, and then this tool here that crimps the eyelet in place. And so I'll show you here. What we do is take a piece of material here and punch a hole in it, and then find an eyelet here. I've got one picked out here. I'm going to use the blue one here. Put it through the hole, and you can use this tool here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what goes on with this. So there's the eyelet and the hole that's punched. And so you just put it through so it sticks out the back here. And you want to put the tool in like that. And just squeeze it. And you can see it puts a nice eyelet crimped into the material here. And then you can use it to add a loop or something like that. And the eyelets come in a variety of sizes, and I just chose one I thought would be appropriate for what I'm doing.